So we finally made it back to Germany after 7 weeks in Russia.
Yes, all is well, that ends well. We passed all exams. Now we're back to Cologne. As we can see, the carnival is going on full swing, but we won't have time to enjoy it.
Yeah, because I'll be flying to Houston tomorrow for robotics and then on to Canada. And you?
And I'll be doing a parabolic flight. And,
of course you'll be doing parabolic flights. You always do parabolic flights?
I have to test the ski suit for emission ending.
That's true.
And then we'll fly to Japan.
Yeah, in about a month. And then after Japan, we'll be back in Russia. So what did we complete this time in Russia?
Winter survival for you, I did it 2 years ago, and then almost all the theory for the Soyuz.
That's right. So on top of the motion control, I did winter survival. You did it, you said 2 years ago? So we can have a look at it and you can critique our winter survival experience. Let's have a look.
All right.
Good morning. It's Monday morning here in Star City in Russia. It's still dark outside. I'm really excited today, but I have to admit I'm also a little bit nervous because today is the start of 3 days of Russian winter survival. It's minus 15 outside. I'll show you on the thermometer. I hope you guys can see this. Minus 15. So it's going to be cold. I'll be outside for the next 3 days with my Russian crewmate Sergei Volkov. He'll be the commander of the Soyuz spacecraft when we launch in September 2015. And we'll be simulating a landing that's gone wrong. A landing somewhere in the winter in the forest. And it'll take the search and rescue teams 3 days to get to our position and rescue us. And so we have to survive by building a lean-to shelter the first night. That's a shelter made out of trees, branches, anything we can find. Also using some of the parachute material. And then the second night we'll build a teepee-like structure using the parachute material from the Soyuz. So it's going to be exciting and cold.
So it reminds me of the survival, the one that we did with Samantha. So as you can see, all the winter gear comes in the Soyuz. It's pre-packed. It's not built for comfort or style, but it's built for warmth.
Not style? I look pretty good. You don't think so?
Not too bad, but I've seen better. But I like the color.
I like the hat.
The hat doesn't suit anyone. No, I think that's what it does. But anyway, so making use of everything you can, the parachute more than 500 meters square, and the seat liners, everything you could for a survival situation.
And this is our lean-to shelter, the most rudimentary shelter that we built for the first night. Does it look up to scratch?
It's pretty cool. I think what matters most is the fire. As long as you keep the fire going, then you'll be fine. So main activity, cutting down wood and cutting down more wood.
That's true. And the second night, the teepee, I prefer the teepee definitely.
Much more comfortable. It has a door, it has all the modern comfort. So second night is actually quite good. I mean, it's just like at home.
All the modern comforts of sleeping in the woods.
All right, and it's Murphy's Law. When the situation is bad, it gets even worse. So medical emergency.
Yeah, a simulated medical emergency.
Simulated medical emergency. But I see you only had a broken arm. How easy is that? We had a broken leg, so we had to carry a crew member. That's much more difficult.
Who did you have to carry?
But we were lucky because we had to carry Samantha, so she was by far the lightest of the crew.
So well, it's a good job they didn't have to carry you. They wouldn't have gotten very far.
That's true. But anyway, so the helicopter is rescuing you.
Yeah, here we're signaling for the helicopter to
lighting
come
up a flare, and congratulations, you survived.
Yeah, thank you.